Hi friends, welcome back. Those are new to this channel, this is Jayan. So if you're new to this channel, we have started Discord channel. So it's a student community where we share the knowledge to each other. So it's completely knowledge sharing package order, guys. Do join our Discord channel. I have given link in description. Click on the link and do join our Discord channel, guys. I'm hoping to see you over there. In today's video, I'm going to share a few tricks and tips like like how to study in a day, how to have productiveness in your day, like how to overcome procrastination. So I'm going to share all the tricks and tricks, guys, which I am following from past 1 year. So even I'm a student, like before before this lockdown I was lazy and I couldn't able to spend much time on my work. I used to postpone every day. I won't like focus on the work. So like even some of my friends used to call me and ask me like how to stop doing postponing works and how to overcome the procrastination. In today's video we'll just discuss all the tips which I've been following from last 1 year. I'm going to share all the tips to you guys. Let's get started. So when I said procrastination, so every student, like I guess the maximum like 90% of students, Indian students, used to work in a day, night times. Even I'm a student, so like before, like I guess in like last year, like before lockdown, I used to work night times. So in my college days, I used to work night times. Like I guess till like 4:30 I used to work, and afterward I used to rush to the college. So guys, trust me, guys, just stop working out night time. Just stop working night times and do the work in the morning hours. Trust me, like if you're spending 2 hours to complete a task, if you do the task in early morning, you just complete within half an hour. Yes guys, I'm not lying, it's a serious. I've been experiencing for last 1 year. So first step to stop procrastination, to have productiveness, is waking up early in the morning. So now, like I know like waking up early in the morning is not like easy task. So I'm going to share a few tips like how to wake up early in the morning. The first tip is like sleep early, guys. So I guess for our age, like for 18 to 28 years, like 6 to 7 hours is more than enough. So like sleep 10:30 and wake up at 5:30. That's more than enough, guys. Just start waking up early in the morning. So the first tip for like waking up early in the morning is that go to bed early and wake up early, guys. And then the second tip to wake up early is that, like let's say if you're going to bed at 10:30, don't use any digital devices like example phone and PC. Like don't see any screens, any digital screens, like before half an hour of the bedtime. Let's say if you're going to bed at 10:30, and stop using all the mobile gadgets and all the digital screens before half an hour to going to bed, and then put everything into a like silent mode, like in airplane mode, and just like in that half before the bed, just do some walking over there, and then just like do some meditation and go to bed, guys. Why? Because like our eyes need to get like we need to prepare a body to get into sleep. So that's the reason I'm saying that before going to bed, at least half an hour before, you just need to stop using all the kind of digital gadgets, guys. Trust me, at starting you find difficult. So as soon as you're getting like used to it, you'll get like you feel very convenient, comfort, and to wake up early in the morning, guys. These are the two tips. So one more thing, like after waking up early in the morning, like don't rush to the laptop and don't put charge to the laptop, don't put charge to mobile. After waking up, just go and freshen yourself, just wash your face, and after that, like you can start your work. As soon as waking up, don't just use digital gadgets, guys. These are the tips you follow for waking up early in the morning. The second tip, like as I say, procrastination, like postponing work only because of the distractions. So there are so many distractions. I guess like lot of students have the only one distraction. Major distraction is that mobile and digital gadgets. Yes, guys, mobile phone is very distraction for everyone. So like to avoid this distraction, I read few books. Like one book is Jim Quick. I said in the last video. If you didn't watch the video, I given a link in description, and I can click on that link and do watch the video and read that book, guys. So in the Jim Quick, like he used to say, like before working, like let's say if you're starting a working, just switch off your phone, or else keep the phone underwear, like any cupboards. Others, he shared one thing, like you just need to put some heavy password. So let's imagine, guys, we are lazy to open a phone. If you have simple password, you used to open the phone as soon as possible. So if you have a heavy password, you just take time to open. You feel like though instead of opening the password, we can focus on work. Follow this tip, guys. So like when you're studying, like when you're doing your work, just like put your phone in silent mode and do your work. Unless if you couldn't able to put your silent mode, like because if you get some emergency call, so in that case, like just like change the password to heavy password, so that you won't like get your hands to open the phone. This is the second thing, like digital distraction you can control, the guys. And then like while studying, like you like our mind, like our mind does not focus on the study like more than 25 minutes. So there's a technique called Pomodoro technique, which says that it's a Japanese technique. Like they says that like what is like in like our human mind just have focus time of 25 minutes. After that, we won't able to focus any work. So like just follow the break, take a gaps in between the work. Let's say if you're working at 11 and just do a work till 11:25 and take a 5 minutes gap. 5 minutes can just listen to from podcast, others read books, others just close your eyes and do some meditation, or just simply like sit on your chair and listen some songs. Unless there's some music. So follow this all kind of things, guys. So that's what take 25, like work for 25 minutes, take 5 minutes break. It's going to help you guys. It has so many productiveness in the tip has this time following has so many like stuff to do your work on time, guys. These are the 3 things I used to convey to you guys. I hope this video helps you guys. I'll make a separate video on like few more tips I'll add. These are the like 3 major tips I used to follow, and like I want everyone to follow to have a productiveness in your day, guys. We'll meet you soon. Bye.